I'm so glad you're joining me again. We are going to do our April 7 calendar. So go ahead and start tracing April with me. You should have your pencil and all your supplies out and ready to go. So A, R, E, U. Okay, let's get our schoolhouse. It is April. What number is that? April 7. Today is April 7. And it is Tuesday. Tuesday. So April 7, Tuesday. Or Tuesday, April 7. I'm so excited you're joining me again. I sure miss you guys in the classroom. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start at the top. On the left-hand side, slide to the right, angle down, all the way down to the bottom. Nice, neat 7. Make sure your 7 looks like me. This is an easy number to get backwards. So start on the left-hand side, slide right, angle down. We are in the year 2000. Say it right on out. 2020. Good job. Okay, we're going to make a 2. So we start just below the top line, reach up, touch the top line, swing down and around, and slide right. We have 0, the hero, top to bottom, nice long egg, and another 2, 20, 20. So start just below the top line, reach up and touch the top line, make a candy cane or a fish hook, and slide right. And then another 0, the hero. Notice again, all of my numbers touch the top and the bottom of our lines. In our digital date, we've talked about what number represents April. So we've got January, February, March, and April. So what number is it, class? That's right, 4. So we go down and across and down again. Again, I might be moving a little fast for you, and if I am, go ahead and pause the video, catch up, and then press play again. Okay, in our digital date, this represents April. Today's day comes next, and it is April 7. So again, we're going to start on the left, slide right, angle down. Good job. You guys are doing really good. Okay, so in our digital date, if you remember, we use the last 2 digits or full number of the year for a digital date. So in our digital date, it is April, or 4, 7. What number is 20 put together? I'll cover it up. Say it right out loud. 20. Good job. So 4, 7, 20. Reach up and touch. We're going to make a fish hook, slide right, 0, the hero. A long egg there. Okay, let's read our sentence. We have been in school for, okay, here we go. We have our big base 10, and this one, we're going to do our counting by 10. So I'm going to go a little faster, so stay right with me. Say the counting by 10 with me. We're going to count the whole block. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well done. Give yourself a little pat on the back. Okay, we're moving on to our 10s. We have our 10s all in a line here, and then we have our little ones that are yellow here on the end for today's, how many days we've been in school. So let's count our 10s, and if we were to count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each one has 10. So now we can count by 10s. Remember, we had 100, 100, 110, 120, 130, and now we get to count by ones by counting on. We got to 130, so help me. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137 days. That is a lot of days to be in school. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and write that on our days in school. In our blue, remember on our blue we have 100, one of the big blue. We have 3 of the green 10s around a tree. Around a tree, that's how we make a 3. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 137. That is how many days we have been in school. All right, we're going to fill in our calendar now, so I'll slide these out of the way. They're being tricky. These things like to jump off of my whiteboard too, don't they? All right, we are going to fill our sentence in, so we're going to do 130, round a tree, that's how we make a 3, 7, 137. Start at the left, slide right, angle down. Nice, neat 7. So, in our places for the number, we've got hundreds place, tens place, and our ones place. So how many big blue 100s in our hundreds place? How many did we have? 1. 1 in the hundreds place. In our tens place, how many tens? That was the green ones. We had 3. Very good. Around a tree, and that is how we make a 3. In our ones place, that's this last number here. This is our ones place. What number is in the ones place? A 7. So, start from the left, slide right, angle down. You guys are doing awesome. Okay, now we get to do our day of the week. Yesterday was Monday. So yesterday was Monday. Today today is one of our sight words. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And then tomorrow will be, this is tomorrow will be, tomorrow. That's a big word for us. We've been learning that word all year though. Tomorrow is going to be Two cool guys hanging out at the end. Wednesday. I like to think of this, especially when I'm spelling it, as I break up the word Wednesday. Although I wouldn't say it that way. That would be funny if we say, hi, happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Okay, so our day, that's tomorrow. We'll get there tomorrow. Today is Tuesday. So let's write our days of the week. Today is Tuesday. Remember, this is the name of the day of the week. Tuesday starts with a capital letter because it is the name of the day of the week. So capital T, top to bottom first, and then right at the top, put the hat on. Capital T. U starts at the dotted line, reaches right up to the dotted line again, put a little tail on. E starts right next to the U, slides right up to the dotted line and around, nice and neat. S starts just below the dotted line, reach up and touch the dotted line and angle down and bring it up. Our D is top to bottom, tummy facing the S. Our A, reach it around and put the tail on. All the lowercase, if you notice, except for our D, which was top to bottom, they're all under the dotted line to the line. So try to do your starry eyes so we can have something special to reward everyone for that perfect starry eye work. Okay, our Y, if it looks like a V, angle down, angle down. This is if it was a V, we'd stop there, but it's a Y, so we put the tail on all the way down. Good job. Tuesday. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is our season. The season is it winter, spring, summer, or fall? And we are supposed to get warmer weather this week with some sunshine, so I am hoping it's going to act like the season it is. What season is it? Go ahead and holler it out. That is right. I am so excited. It is spring. So I'm going to color my flower pretty blue. I love flowers. I would love to plant lots of flowers this year. And maybe at home, if you have a spot, I know that Zoe and her mom are going to plant a garden. So if you plant a garden, I would love for you to share pictures of your garden with me. That would be so much fun. Oops, you can't see that blue. Let me do a different color in the middle so you can see I've done a different color. I'm going to add a little bit out into the blue too. We'll see. It'll make it like a little posy, like a little pretty color in the middle. Okay, there we go. So now we need to do our equations. So we are going to equal the day, which is 7. So we are getting into some bigger numbers. We need to equal 7, equal 7, equal 7. So I need some numbers to equal 7. Let's see, I'm going to do seeds today because we were talking about planting. So to equal my first seed, 7, I'm going to do 4 seeds first. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, let's find out how many more do I need to equal 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'll count them. There's 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 3 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Ooh. So I'm going to show you, if I was to switch this, would it equal 7? Let's find out. If I was to take 3 seeds, 1, 2, 3, plus 4 seeds, 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that still equal 7? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It sure does. So, in addition, it doesn't matter which number we add first, it will still equal the same number. Now I'm going to do a subtraction problem. And remember, in our subtraction problem, we are taking away. So we need a number bigger than 7, because if I take away, it's not going to equal 7, and we need to equal 7. So I'm going to pick a number bigger than 7 to start with. I'm going to pick 9. Okay. My paper is hitting the microphone. Here, I'll cover that one up. Hopefully you can see. Okay, so there we go. So it needs to equal 7. So I'm going to pick 9. Put my finger on 9. I'll write it first. 9 minus, now I have to find out how many do I need to take away to equal 7. So let's start here. Keep your finger on the 9 and count down. 1, 2. 2. So 9 minus 2 equals 7. I'm going to move this down. Whoops. You can't see what's happening, but my paper is hitting the microphone and it's making it a little funny. Okay, 9. Let's try that again. 9. My minus is floating funny. I'll fix that for you too. Is it okay to make mistakes and fix them? Yes, it is. You betcha. That's how we learn. Mistakes are how we learn. If we did everything perfect, then we'd know everything. We wouldn't have to learn anything. So it's okay. Mistakes are how we learn. Mistakes are part of learning. In fact, mistakes are a very important part of learning. Okay, so 9 minus, says minus 2. Let's check it out. Make sure we're correct. 1, 2. Does that equal 7? Sure does. You guys are getting so smart. I can't wait. So tomorrow I'm going to have you come up with one all on your own for our next number. So let's go ahead and do our bunny. And again, you can do your bunny, your cute little bunny, any color. I'm going to do her orange today. I'm kind of trying to do a different color each day, but you can do whatever color you would like. And then I'm going to have fun with my egg. So you can do whatever color you want on your egg as well. I don't know if you like to dip Easter eggs. You certainly don't have to. Some people don't celebrate that part of Easter, and that is just fine. We have Easter coming up this weekend, and it is such a beautiful, important holiday, and I'm going to do a lesson to talk just about that. And it's what we as Christians are so excited about, is that Jesus is risen. It's because that is why we're saved. So we'll talk more about that in another lesson. Okay, class, I am so excited you joined me for my April 7, your April 7 lesson. I will see you next time. Bye.